Hey guys, welcome back. Remember this kit? The one that had the smashed cab, and I reached out and asked if anyone had a spare cab or something they'd want to get rid of, and I did have several people reach out to me, but I received a package in the mail from Gavin Swan, and it's got to have more in it than just the cab, so he asked if I'd open it on the camera. So I'm gonna open this little box and see what is in store. See what Gavin has sent here. I don't know. Maybe it's just full of fillers and that's it, but I wanted to honor his wishes and open it on camera and let you guys see what Gavin has sent in help of my Model A. Okay, read on camera. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Alright, so here I'll read. Dear Matthew, I hope this package finds you and your family well. This is also written in cursive, so bear with me. I can read cursive, it's just some people's cursive is sloppy. I haven't even got into it. But whenever I first saw the unfortunate circumstances that had happened to your Ford, I was determined to help. Since I crazy rooster. Since I had this kit, I decided to send it to you. I have stripped the body as best I can using 2C models. Unfortunately, the enamel is so thick that I had to strip it multiple times and ran out of stripper. This is my first time sending anything to anyone, so I hope I did okay. Whenever I first started watching your channel, I remember you felt lonely in the hobby. Okay, sorry Gavin. I know how you feel. Being a 17-year-old model builder has its challenges. A 17? Gavin, you're only 17 years old and you're writing in cursive? What in the world? I know you being a 17-year-old model builder has its challenges. Most high schools don't understand, high schoolers don't understand modeling. Most people, Gavin, don't understand modeling. They'll give you funny looks sometimes. Yes, I agree. So I don't really share with them. Fortunately, my girlfriend loves it. Well, that's cool. And I got her a 57 Chevy for her birthday. Shh, I'm not going to say anything. Just tell her don't watch this video. Thanks for all you do, and I hope to see the body get some love. Of course, thanks. That's up to you. Thanks again, and keep saying stand by. All right, guys, stand by. There you go. P.S. Carol wants to say hi to Ruthie. It's great to see another young female model builder. God bless you, Gavin Swan. Well, Gavin, thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. I had no idea you were only 17 years old. I need to be sending you some stuff, man. Get you going, get you started. Okay, so here is the body that Gavin said he tried to strip, and yes, sometimes it is a pain, but I got some stripper that will strip the best of paint off of anything. And look at here, that won't be a problem at all, Gavin. I don't know what paint you sprayed this with, but I'm just going to guess it was probably a Rust-Oleum spray paint. I may be wrong, but if you'll notice that this plastic is completely stained, that Rust-Oleum, boy, it leaches into the plastic, which there's no problem here. Gavin, that body looks great, man. I'll give her another soaking and get it cleaned up, and this is exciting. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. And look here, I did not expect all this, and I see blue, so I'm thinking that these are spare parts. Yes, they're spare parts. Look at there. There's the doors, the dash. Nice, thank you. here are the hood panels for the top and the side hood panels. That's nice. Thank you very much. You know what, Gavin? I think you brush painted this thing. I can't tell. You either brushed it or sprayed it and maybe then brushed it. However, you got the paint on there. Very good. Very cool. Oh, and there's some unpainted parts. This is the rear. Looks like the rear door. What rear? Yeah, rear door. That's what that is. Nice. Got the inside and the outside of the rear door. And then here is the front portion of the body. Look at there. I think you did. No, you did brush paint it. I'm looking at the sprues now. Okay. So right here. There you go. It is brush painted. Okay. Thought it might have been. And here's some glass. You always can use another glass, a windshield and all, because you never know when you're gonna scratch one or get one broken or anything like that. So here's the model kit that these parts came from, and there are some decals. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Gavin, I want to say again a big thank you for sending this. I do appreciate it. And there's some of that blue paint. There it is. But yeah, man, thank you so much, Gavin. You don't know how much I appreciate that. And yeah, how could I repay you? Anyway, guys, thanks again for the support of the community. It is a great community that always reaches out when needs arise. And when this need arose, there was Gavin, as well as several others that reached out to me, and I greatly appreciate it. So I want to say again, thank you, Gavin, for watching. Thank you for being a supporter of mine, and yeah, for this body. All right, guys, don't forget, check out Hobby Nut Models in the description of the video for all of your modeling needs. You get some paint to paint this body with. I already got some paint to paint this body with, and it came from Hobby Nut Models, linked in the description below. Check that out. Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. Join if you haven't. The spring store, go check it out. Grab yourself a sticker or a coffee mug or a t-shirt. And a Patreon group. Thank you to all my support on Patreon, and I do appreciate that. And guys, thanks so much for you watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you don't mind, and we'll see you, well, you know what I mean, on the next video. Take care. Bye.